What's up, everybody? Here in front of me is some software that I've recently acquired when I was out doing a computer repair job, which was basically dealing with a computer networking problem that a client of mine had because she had set up some security cameras and wondering why her internet was getting lower speeds. But eventually, when she was cleaning out a room or a closet or whatsoever, she was asking me if I had any use for this software, and I was happy enough to take it. Let's look at it real quick. What we got here is a genuine copy of Microsoft Works 8 and Money 2005. It even comes with the Office 2003 Home and Student Trial, but I'm not going to use the Office 2003 trial because I got a full version of Office 2003 Professional. So yeah, I could basically load this on a Windows XP computer, which will be pretty cool. Some software that's Windows XP appropriate. And what I have here is a Office 97 Small Business Edition for Windows 95 and NT 4.0. which basically only comes with Word, Excel, Outlook, Small Business, Financial Manager. The only thing is they don't really come with PowerPoint. I think this is actually disc 1. I actually got the higher end version, which has the PowerPoint, and I actually got this disc that is basically a Windows XP Service Pack 2 disc for computers that are running Service Pack 1 or older. Let me open it up, this little sleeve, and get it out. This is a not for resale, but this will actually work with Home Edition, Professional, Media Center Edition, and Tablet PC Edition. So, if I had a computer that had XP Service Pack 1, I could, if I wanted to put Service Pack 2, I can actually install Service Pack 2 from this disk. But why bother if you could do Service Pack 3? Because Service Pack 3 will do the same as Service Pack 2, but just give it more updated. And I actually got an actual genuine copy of Office 2000 Professional, which is, this one's actually the academic edition. It's even got a product key, but I'm not going to show the product key. But this is actually the disc 1, which comes with Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, Access, and Office Server. And if I can get it open. Because it does have, let me put this down for a minute, see if I can get this. So no. There we go. This one's even got disc 2, which has publisher and small business tools and the shared clip art, but pretty cool. So yep, that's some software that I recently acquired. My next software on the list to get is a genuine copy of Windows 2000 Professional and Windows 98 and 98 Plus on, and along with some Pentium 3 laptops that I could run Windows 98 and 2000 on, just to have some cool vintage computers around. That takes up less space and having to dig out a desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.